Hi, it's James Lapierre. I'm just making a brief instructional video on how to use your Amazon Echo Dot to control the lighting in your house. So once you have turned on and set up and connected your Amazon Echo Dot per the manufacturer's recommendation to your modem, you will then be able to attach different electrical devices to the Dot device. And once you have done that, all you have to do is simply call on the device and instruct it which light to turn on. For example, Alexa, turn on the office light. As you can see, it recognizes my voice and my instructions. If you want to turn the light off, you just simply do the opposite. You can say, Alexa, turn off the office light. And you notice the light turns off.